Lamine Yamal just started a civil war inside Barca's fan base. You need to see this. Before Elico, he was talking big as usual, but this time it backfired hard because Real Madrid layers came out like they had raw meat for breakfast. They bullied Barca all game long. Artigula literally kicked Yamal and Bellingham ran over to congratulate him for it. After the match, Tchouaméni said, "I love when Yamal talks like that. It gives us extra motivation." Barca fans are split in two. One side says, "Influencer man is giving Madrid extra motivation. He needs to focus on the pitch like Messi." The other side says he'll never be humble like me.